Welcome to our YouTube channel, and to the second part of this video titled, Real-Life Examples of Solar Road Light Success Stories. France. In 2016, the French village installed a 1-kilometer-long solar road. The road is covered with 2,800 square meters of solar panels, and can generate enough electricity to power the village's streetlights. The project is being used as a pilot to evaluate solar roads' feasibility as a renewable energy source. China. In December 2018, China opened the world's first solar panel highway in Jinan. The road has 3 layers: insulation on the bottom, solar panels in the middle, a transparent concrete layer on top. The solar panels generate electricity used to power streetlights and charge electric vehicles. Thank you for watching. Like and share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.